Welcome back, my lovely friends. My name is Georgi and you're watching Just Shake or Stir. And today I have a quick one for you with two lovely easy to make recipes for the upcoming summer. Now I've done many spritzes on the channel, so I'm gonna link them somewhere here or in the description. But today we're gonna go to the roots of the spritz and we're gonna prepare just two typical Italian spritzes, usually famous in the northern Italy, but consumed all over Italy and the world. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. But let's crack on and make two delicious Italian spritzes. So as you can see here next to me, I have two bottles. One is the Select Aperitivo, which is from 1920s, and it's probably one of the most famous Venetian Spritz, if you ever heard, or Spritz de Veneziano. This is the main ingredient in this Spritz. Later on, obviously, Aperol Spritz took over, but still, this is the most popular and probably the original Spritz. Even though it's no any kind of a written recipes or proven facts, in Italy, especially in northern Italy, every bartender knows how to make it because it's so simple and so delicious. And next to the Select we have Italicus Rosolio Di Bergamoto. So this is again a very old traditional Italian recipe made probably since the times of emperors in Italy, but bring back by Italicus, and it's a wonderful ingredient for another variation of spritz. So I will build both of them together because they're basically built over ice directly in the glass, top up with Prosecco, and in most cases if you Google spritz it's gonna say aperitivo, Prosecco and a splash of soda. But guess what? I don't like the splash of soda. I'm gonna stick just to the two aperitivos and the Prosecco, and of course the lovely garnish, which is today Italian mozzarella olives. So let's make it up. So, two glasses, then I need a little close up, and I'm gonna use my friend here just to move down, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, we have the two glasses, and I'm gonna fill up with ice both of the glasses. Now I have a pretty big mixture of shredded, crushed and cubed ice. Now don't ask me why, but it doesn't matter. What you need to know is that your glasses should be filled up with ice. Do not be shy on the ice because that's what you need for the lovely spritz. And then we're gonna start with our Prosecco. Probably should have opened in advance, but hey, just to prove the fact, it's a brand new bottle. It's a wonderful Italian Prosecco, dry. Always spin the bottle, never spin the cup, okay? If you want to open it, just like that. Simple as that, okay? So we're gonna top up around 90 to maybe 120 mils if you want. It's up to you. I usually top up and soon the bubbles reach the top. That's my measure to stop. You can always, of course, top up a little bit more after, but for now that's how we're gonna leave it. And first, Select Aperitivo, which is the Venetian original spritz. We're gonna go with 50 ml, or in your case you can go with 2 ounces if you want. I'm gonna drop a little 10 ml more, okay? And on the other side, we're gonna go with the Italicus, which is not that bitter like the Select Aperitivo. Have more zesty and a lovely flowery notes from the lavender used inside. There we go. Just a little bit more. And now in this case, most of the time you're gonna top up with a splash of soda, but I just like to drop a little bit more of Prosecco. Simple as that. Give it a gentle stir. One on this side. I'm gonna turn out the spoon so we don't mix the flavors. And of course, I need two lovely picks, and I'm gonna grab my olives. Here we go. So Select Aperitivo, it could be the Venetian Spritz, could be just garnished with one olive, but I do prefer to have 3 of them directly in the glass, just like that. And then for the Italicus, I'm gonna grab my Italicus picks, and we're gonna do exactly the same. As you can see, my lovely friends, they're very similar, the way how they're built, but of course, they taste totally different. So, back high, bring my lovely slider friend, assistant, back to a position. There we go. Okay, we went too far away, I think. I'm still trying to figure out how to work out these things, but hey. So on this side we have the Select with the Venetian Spritz, and on this side we have the Italicus Spritz, which is with the Italicus Rosolio Di Bergamoto. So first I'm gonna try this. I know how it tastes, but just for the sake of the video. Refreshing. You have these lavender notes, the lovely zesty flavor coming from the Italicus, and of course the dryness from the wonderful Prosecco. Perfect, like perfecto. And the next one, the original Venetian Spritz, which is gonna be a little bitter. Yes. So if you like Aperol Spritz, or if you like Campari, this is to go, but it's quite different than Campari, slightly different than Aperol. If you never try Select, I suggest you find this lovely bottle and make yourself a wonderful Venetian Spritz. But there you go, my friends, you have 2 wonderful, refreshing, perfect summer spritzes coming from the northern Italy. The Venetian Spritz and the Italicus Spritz. Enjoy, have a wonderful week ahead of you, and I'll see you next week with another video. For now, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.